Hi, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, and in this short GrooveFunnels tutorial, we're going to look at how to set an OG image in GroovePages. So the OG image is the image that is shown when you share your link on Facebook or on Twitter. And it's also could be called a thumbnail. And it's pretty important to set a good one because that's going to decide whether or not people click on your link when it gets shared on social media. So it's pretty easy to do, and we'll just go into one of my websites here. This one's live, so I'll be able to show you. And I'm just going to go into Pages and come down to this one. And so this is just a landing page. It's a very basic landing page, and I haven't set the OG image for it yet. So I'm going to go down to the page and click on the three dots to the right of the page that's selected, and then go to Edit Settings. So once you're in Page Settings, you just scroll right down to the bottom, and under OG Image, you click on Choose Image, and you would click on the image that you want, which for me is this one, and then you would say select. I'm just going to say cancel because I already had it selected. And then you would want to click on this check mark up here, and then you would go save, and then publish. And I'm just going to go over to Facebook and show you what this looks like. So, I had already pasted this in, but if I hadn't, just get rid of that, maybe. Anyways, if I hadn't already done it, then when I pasted this in, it would have brought that image up, and then that image will accompany my link whenever I post it on Facebook or Twitter. So that is how you add a thumbnail or an OG image to your GroovePages web pages. There's also a way that you can do an overall one for the site. You just click on this drop-down menu right here and go to Site Settings. And then this is where you can set the favicon, and you can also set an open graph image, which will be the default open graph image. If you set a specific one for a page like I just demonstrated, then that will override the default one. But this is the overall default OG image for this website. So anyways, that is how you set up OG images in GroovePages. Let me know if you have any questions about that, and if you have any requests for future tutorials, just leave me a comment, and also be sure to leave me a like and subscribe for future videos. I'll catch you in the next one.